When an athlete, and I speak as a civilian, but when you say I'm done as an athlete in the moment with the adrenaline and just the pressure of the moment, you almost start to let the air out of the competitive balloon. And then to send that same athlete out, it might be a little bit dangerous. Give me your, and it's a rather nuanced take on this whole ball of wax, because a lot of people jumping ugly on this event.
Yeah, and that's understandable. I think just the human element in all of this, you see a fighter who's gone through 4 difficult rounds and saying, I don't have anything left. And then for a corner to say, no, you still got something left. You can go out there, we'll recover after the fight. I just think the human in all of us is saying, well, what is that all about? But you have to remember that, at any moment, Raquel Pennington could have ended this fight by just telling the referee that she was done. You tell the referee you're done, she has a choice. I mean, you can call the fight off right there. She's not forced to fight. I think by telling her corner, and she hasn't come out and spoken about this yet, and when she does, that will be very interesting to hear her take on this. But I think by telling her corner, you have to remember that her corner has been through a full training camp with her. They're the ones, when she's running up a mountain or whatever at the beginning of the day, or she's sparring late rounds and she's like, I got nothing left. I got nothing left. Those people are the ones that know her the best and who have been encouraging her and supporting her throughout that training camp. So for them to say, no, you don't want to quit on your stool. You don't want to do that. Let's get in there and finish that fight. I don't think that they should be ostracized for that. Now, however, as the fight continued and it did look like Raquel Pennington was not turning the tide, I think they could have stopped the fight then. But that initial reaction of telling their fighter, no, you still have something left, I don't think that that's inappropriate for them to do that.
In 15 seconds, does UFC owe an investigation or a statement, or is it done?
It's done. Again, I want to hear what Raquel Pennington's side of this is, and that will tell us a whole lot. But as far as an investigation of something, no, it's just it's a controversial moment in a difficult time in a sport.